The easiest way to capture multi-track recordings out of an iLive system is to fit the mix rack port B with a suitable audio networking card. 24 ADAT output channels are provided on the mini multi-out card, while MADI, Dante, Waves or Ether sound cards all provide up to 64 channels bidirectional. MADI uses coaxial cables and requires a third-party audio interface from RME, SSL, DigiDesign or others. Solutions for both desktop and laptop computers are available. The Dante card comes with a Dante Virtual Sound Card license instead. Just connect the card to the network adapter of your computer. You still need a suitable standalone recorder or a computer running DAW software such as Pro Tools, Logic, Cubase, Sonar, Reaper or similar. All common best practices for computer recording apply, such as directing recording data to a separate, fast hard drive, either internal or external. We are going to use the M-Dante card in this example. We've got the cable plugged into the computer already and our network adapter is set to DHCP mode. Launch Dante Controller, a control software application available on the Ordinate website. Check the module is set as the Dante Master Clock and slaves to the iLive clock. Ensure the Dante Virtual Sound Card is enabled and its ASIO preferences are set according to your requirements. Dante Virtual Sound Card is installed with a separate package. Now create a straight one-to-one patch from the iLive to the Dante Virtual Sound Card and from the sound card back to the iLive. Patch all the required mix rack inputs to the port B slot using the output screen of the iLive touchscreen. Launch the DAW software. In the audio settings or preferences, set the Dante Virtual Sound Card as the audio driver. It appears as an ASIO device just like a piece of hardware would do. Check all inputs and outputs are enabled. Create the number of tracks you need and assign all ASIO input channels to the desired tracks and all the tracks returns to the ASIO output channels. Arm all tracks at once to monitor the input signals on the meters. A further click on the record button and you should see all channels being recorded simultaneously. To play back the recording into the iLive, enter the Quick Input Source Setup screen in the Mixrack Preferences menu. Select channels 1 to 32 and choose Remote Port B. Pressing Apply will instantaneously swap the source from all of the input channels from the physical XLR sockets to the Dante digital input. Hit play in your DAW and all the signals will be at the iLive inputs with exactly the same gain as they had when coming from the XLR sockets.